Hello and welcome to the Simple Spark YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll go through the most important UAE corporate tax interview questions and answers. Whether you are preparing for a finance or tax related job interview, or you simply want to understand the basics of the UAE's new tax system, this video will give you clear and structured explanations. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Basic and conceptual questions. What is the UAE corporate tax and when did it come into effect? Answer. UAE corporate tax is a federal tax on business profits, effective for financial years starting on or after the 1st of June 2023. What is the standard corporate tax rate in the UAE? Answer. 9% on taxable income exceeding 375,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Income below this threshold is taxed at 0% for most businesses. What is the rate of tax for free zone companies under the UAE corporate tax regime? Answer. Qualifying free zone persons can benefit from 0% CT on qualifying income. Non-qualifying or excess income may be taxed at 9%. Who is subject to UAE corporate tax? Answer. All juridical persons, e.g., LLCs, PSCs, non-residents with UAE source income, and natural persons conducting business activities under a license. Are there any exemptions from UAE corporate tax? Yes. Key exemptions include government entities, government-controlled entities, qualifying investment funds, public benefit entities, qualifying free zone persons for qualifying income, receipt tax compliance and filing. When is the UAE corporate tax return due? Answer. Within 9 months after the end of the relevant financial year. Is tax registration mandatory for all entities? Yes, even if the entity is exempt, registration is mandatory and a tax registration number, TRN, will be issued. Is financial auditing mandatory for all companies? Not for all, but free zone persons must have audited financial statements to qualify for the 0% rate. What is the penalty for not registering for corporate tax on time? As per current regulations, 10,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams for late registration. Bar graph technical and practical questions. How is taxable income calculated in UAE corporate tax? Based on accounting net profit, loss, adjusted for unrealized gains, losses, exempt income, disallowed expenses, transfer pricing adjustments, etc. What is exempt income under UAE corporate tax? Includes dividends from UAE or foreign subsidiaries, under conditions, capital gains on shares, if participation exemption applies, income from foreign permanent establishments. What are disallowed expenses under the UAE corporate tax law? Fines and penalties, donations not to approved entities, bribes and illegal payments, personal expenses, dividends paid. What is the participation exemption? Exemption on income, dividends or capital gains, from a qualifying shareholding, at least 5%, held for 12 months, and meeting other conditions. Transfer pricing, TP, related. Is transfer pricing applicable under UAE corporate tax? Yes. TP rules apply to transactions with related parties and connected persons. What TP documentation is required? 3-tiered approach. TP disclosure form, mandatory for all. Local file and master file, if thresholds met. What are related parties and connected persons? Related parties include group entities with ownership, control relationship. Connected persons include owners, directors, and related individuals in certain situations. Free zone specific. What qualifies as qualifying income for free zone entities? Includes income from transactions with other free zone persons, income from exports, qualifying ancillary services, subject to conditions from Cabinet Decision Number 55 of 2023. What happens if a free zone entity earns non-qualifying income? If thresholds are breached, the entity may lose qualifying status and be taxed at 9% on total income. Industry or role-specific questions. As a tax advisor, analyst, How would you prepare a client for corporate tax compliance? Steps may include entity classification, tax registration, financial statement review, TP risk assessment, implementing compliance processes. How would you approach tax planning under the UAE CT regime? Optimize group structure, review intercompany transactions, leverage exemptions, maintain TP documentation, use free zone benefits strategically. These were some of the key UAE corporate tax interview questions and answers, covering basics, compliance, exemptions, and free zone rules. If you are preparing for an interview, make sure to not only memorize these points but also understand the concepts. That's what will set you apart. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Simple Spark for more interview preparation and career guidance videos. Thank you.